Good morning guys, Marlon with Impress Computers, and today we're going to talk about a custom gaming. A customer came in this morning and then he was complaining that the computer was running really hot. As you can see, it's been very dusty inside, which is blowed off. And if you take a look at the processor on the heatsink, this is thick thermal paste, guys. So it's been running for years and it's been running really hot. So this got thick and dry, and it's not performing the heat out of the cooler, as well as the fan being very dusty and it's not able to breathe. On the graphics card, he's got a Radeon card. This is a 4K video card, and the fans are really dirty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna pop this out, clean it inside, blow it off, and make sure that everything's running properly. He's gonna be using a solid state drive now. We're gonna upgrade his solid state, his storage, and we're going to be using the liquid cooler instead of the heatsink that he had. If you have any questions about upgrading your computer or fixing, please give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you.